The Clarke COEBS1 oscillating belt and bobbin sander is an invaluable addition to any woodworking shop. It's light and compact and provides the convenience of a belt and bobbin sander in a single unit and at a great price. Whether configured as a belt or as a bobbin sander, the rotating and oscillating action of the COEBS1 provides an exceptional finish, making it ideal for sanding deep and wide, concave, convex, straight or multi-curved workpieces. It is simply converted from one function to the other and features a large 418 by 401 mm table, which can be set at any angle with detents for 15 degrees, 30 degrees and 45 degrees, permitting the sanding of compound angles. The COEBS1 is supplied with 18 accessories, including 5 80-gauge sanding sleeves and bobbins, plus a sanding belt and assembly. The storage slots in the base of the unit are used to store all of the washers, throat plates, drums, sleeves and belt assembly. There is even a space for the included spanner. A dust outlet is provided for connection to a workshop vacuum system, and the table inserts are perforated to assist with efficient dust collection. To use the sander, either fit the sanding belt assembly or slide a bobbin onto the spindle and secure it using the matching washer and supplied nut. The appropriate table insert is put into place, and the nut on top of the bobbin is then fully tightened. With the material held tightly, the COEBS1 will give a smooth and accurate finish to all your workpieces, straight or curved. Spare parts, including replacement table inserts, bobbins and belts, are available from your local Clarke stockist. The smooth-running and quiet 230-volt 450-watt motor and generous cast table give the COEBS1 great stability and durability. With a 16 mm stroke length, a table height of 334 mm, 2000 RPM sanding speed, and a dust collection port, the COEBS1 will serve your sanding needs for many years to come.